anyway, you guys can refer her to as Nia Ti. Okay, because we want it to Nia Ti or something. Okay, unless name your mong fa chị, only name two more. The rest of you get or you need your mong fa chị. Yeah, là Nia Ti là. Okay. Yeah, Nia Ti là xong mà. Oh, hay son your girls, huh? Okay, so every single one of you, if you're a girl and you're a yang, the rest of you, okay? Okay, and then this is my oldest daughter. This is my little princess. Hong Kong for. Sound of raindrops. Go for Lady of Cloud. You know my name? What's my first name? James. Like King Clara. So anyways, would you like to take for the king? Là lúc đây không tránh à? Lúc đây là tránh, lúc này là nhanh cho, nó đi đâu nhỉ? Anh lấy cho nó chơi long về xuống của cho, đi chơi nó muốn tránh cho. Okay. So first off, I want to thank all you guys for a wonderful year. It's been like, you know what I mean? There's been a summer. Okay?
Still good.
There's been a couple of times where we gained, and I just thought that you could bow that they should have thought you don't know But you know what? I think that you guys sacrificing your summer to be here this summer is a really good thing.
Oh, I'd rather be here than go stay home.
Yeah, and then you come here, and then not only, I mean, it wasn't hard. I mean, well, it was hard for some of you, but at the same time, you were able to learn some things that will help you in the long run. So anyways, I want to thank all you guys for being such good students this whole year, this whole summer. I know that I go to the workroom and all these teachers complain about how bad their students are and how they have to send students to the office. I haven't been able to send anybody to the office.
I think he didn't want it.
But just wanted to thank you guys for bringing the snacks, food, and dishes. And I didn't bring anything. I just brought the utensils. But I want you guys to look at the people at your table and thank them right now. Well, quiet down. Wow, for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you guys. Four finger. All right. I don't want to read it yet. Cũng qua. Nha thì mình tao cũng xin nhạc qua. Cũng qua mà你其中sai thì cầm bị sao? Cũng qua mà. Vậy cũng chỉ sai nhỉ? Tại sao anh vừa qua vậy của anh đấy chỉ đi sẵn.
Oh, is it a black dog?
She got shot.
No, it got.
She got shot.
It got scratched.